Hello guys! Samahan niyo kami today for our Visita Iglesia dito sa Ilocos Sur. We will start sa town ng Santa Cruz going north and my niece will be taking over daw sa ating vlog. Tignan natin if she can make a good one na hindi nakakahilo.
So now we're in Santa Cruz. Hi ka!
Sa camera pa lang.
Siya daw ang
Hi ka!
mag-hi ka. Ikaw naman mag-intro.
Wait lang.
Ikaw ang mag-intro sa ating vlog.
Yeah. So we're now, saan to? Immaculate Conception. Ito siya. Yan. Hi ka! Ayaw mo, mapapanood mo na sarili mo. Tapos comment ka.
Our first stop, Immaculate Conception Parish of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Nueva Segovia that was established in 1603 and it is located in the municipality of Santa Cruz.
So now, second location na tayo. Papunta na tayo din. Yan. Santa Lucia. We're now in Santa Lucia Church. Tignan nyo.
St. Lucy Parish in Santa Lucia was built by Augustinian friars in 1586. It is the only church in the whole Philippines with a dome that looks like that of St. Peter's Basilica in Rome.
So now, tapos na kami mag-Station of the Cross for number 4. And we're going to Candon. Candon na next na? Yeah, third stop.
At dahil may kasama tayong bata, hindi pwedeng hindi bilhan ng balloon.
So now we're in our third stop. This is St. Joseph Parish in Candon. Hi ka! Third stop. Yan siya.
10 more. Tapos na tayo sa beach.
10 more?
Ay, 4.
5.
Huh?
5. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
So, third church. 4 more.
Iwag mo na lang tignan yung balon.
Kalagay, St. John of Sahagun Parish.
Joseph.
St. Joseph!
Mali po pala. St. John po pala yan.
St. John Sahagun.
St. John. Hindi siya St. Joseph.
Kasi St. Joseph kasi yung Catholic
Yung school.
na katabi niya. Kasi sinasabi ni Jamie, ako din hindi ko na...
Ito, St. John of Sahagun Parish. Commonly known as Candon Church.
yun na.
So, third stop is St. John. Hindi pala St. Joseph. Error.
Error alert. False alarm.
Mali
False
pala,
alarm.
mali.
False alarm. False alarm.
So now we're going to our fourth church. So now we're at our fourth stop. Anong name ng church? We're here in St. James the Greater. Greater Parish. The Greater Parish Church. So it's located in Santiago, Ilocos Sur. Tabi lang siya ng Candon. Saan tayo?
St. John.
Ano St. John? St. James na to. Pang ilang stop? So,
Pang-fourth na natin sa third. St. James the Greater Parish was built in the late 18th or early 19th century and is located on top of a hill. The town's stone and brick church was burned by lightning in 1823, damaged by earthquake in 1880, and was repaired in 1887.
ayan yung totoong vlogger. Saling pusa lang ako. Yeah. So, like, yan yung church. Tapos, yung part na yan, cementerio na yan. So now, tapos na kami sa 8th station.
Next church.
Next church. Pang ilan na yan? Pang ilan na to? We're going to church number 5. 5? 5. Anong favorite movie mo?
Moana.
Moana. Tapos yung song namin.
Di ba mo pa yung Moana to na?
So,
Nag-ano si X?
Ha?
Saan nagagas?
magpapagas yung
Saan
isang
nagpapagas?
car. Ayan, yung isang car.
Coke's life.
Water is life.
So, we're going to San Esteban. Nandyan si XP sa likod. So, now, we're in San Esteban. What will you say? Pang ilang church? O, sabay natin sabihin. 1, 2, 3, go. Fifth church!
Nauna ka naman.
Di ka sumabay.
Kasi nahilig sa yung pagsabi ka.
Saint Stephen, kita nyo ba? Saint Stephen Proto-Martyr Parish Church, San Esteban. Di ko alam kung kita nyo yung phone ko. Yan. But it's so hot. Madam.
Saint Stephen Proto-Martyr is located in San Esteban. It was established in 1884. The parish fiesta is celebrated every 26th day of December.
So now, we're going to the next church. Santa Maria, yung next church. Next init.
Ito, mas malamig pa sa fan.
Mas malamig pa sa pan.
Naging hair blower na eh.
Oo. Tinitignan ka ni Seb, oh.
Kevin!
Ano?
We're going to the next church.
Pang ilan?
6.
6. Saan? Hindi mo na alam. Next church namin.
Kandon.
Babalik tayong Kandon?
Hahaha.
Santa Maria.
Santa Maria?
Oo.
Dalang para maglakad nila. Ano? Lalakarin nila. Oo. Kawawa naman siya. Maski ako parang hindi ko may reverse maglakad.
Uy, may St. Mary's College dito, oh. So, now we're in
2 more guys. Tapos na.
Parroquia de Nuestra Señora de la Asunción. Ang haba. Para siyang yung sa Paway.
Yung nga dapat sabihin ko eh. Swear.
Paway?
Opo. Yung sa norte po.
Paway. Marami din simbahan doon sa ano,
Opo.
Opo.
Bilang dito. Parang ganito lang din.
Dapat umabot na tayo sa norte. Oo.
Northwest.
hanggang bigan.
Ganda ng view.
Yung sa bigan.
Wow, overlooking. Parang ano, church sa Paway.
Paway church.
Hala, ang ganda. Taas ng bundok.
Yan na yung mahagdan kanina. Kasi sabi ko hindi
Pero mainit. Mainit. Hindi ko naiinitan.
Nainita siya. Kaya hindi na siya nagpipilit umano yung maglakad.
Oh. Init na.
Ta.
Diyan.
Ang init.
Mainit. Where are we?
The Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Assumption, commonly known as Santa Maria Church, is a Roman Catholic basilica and was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site on December 11, 1993 as part of the Baroque churches of the Philippines.
Later, we're gonna eat kakonton game.
Cotton candy?
Yes, I know how to walk.
Tagalawag po kayo.
Not yours, di kuya.
Tagalog din ako.
Tagalog ko din?
Wala ba siya?
Mami,
Nakagaling ka dito, kuya?
Hindi, dito.
Panay ka sa kanila.
Dito kami.
Hello? Hello?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Wow.
Nagbenta ng ice cream.
Nakakating ng ilo ko, so magbenta ng ice.
Now we're at our 7th church. Last church. So, ito yung Narvacan Church. Bawal mag-hot. Yan. Go.
Hey guys! So, tapos na ang ating bisita Iglesia. Kita-kits sa next vlog.
So, done na kami sa Visita Iglesia. Natapos namin yung 7 churches.
Congratulations!
Ano masasabi mo? Well, happy ka. So, we're going to Santiago. So, we're now in
Fourth adventure.
Port Adventure in San Esteban. So, ayan, as you can see, tabing dagat siya. Wow! Ganda. Sabi nila, 199 daw pag gusto mong mag-swimming. Pero if you dine, free.
Free. Ay, ganun. So, libre na.
5 years old and below. Di ko pala nasabi yung 5 years old and below. So, si Sevi lang yung pwede.
For free.
Eh, ikaw, magbabayad
For 5
ka.
years na free ka dito, so balik-balik tayo dito sa resort.
Hanggang 5.
Until 5 ka.
Pag 6, huwag na.
O, maganda pagpahapon na.
Kaya nga eh. Maganda overnight, ate.
Oo, pag-overnight.
Tapos
Magkano
susunod
kaya
overnight.
yung-
Kasi mayroon pa silang ano,
Parang hindi
lazy
maingay.
river.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi ko pa andarin
Bago
nila
lang yung
pag
wave pool nila.
Pag maraming tao.
Pag marami tao pa ano.
Ano ba na ito? Ang outing siya.
Meron din silang ano.
Wala ano pa lang ganong gagawin.
May jet ski nga sila eh. So guys, 9th stop na tayo. May 9th stop. So yung stop natin is Bougainvillea Cafe. So dito na siya sa Santiago, which is kinda near din dun sa pinagkainan namin na Port Adventure. So we will just go here for coffee and dessert. Kasi dun sa Port Adventure, wala din siyang dessert eh. So, yes! Hindi makita sa vlog.
Alam ba yan? Parang labo ah. Parang mano-mano pa natin ginagawa.
Tayo pa nag-adjust. Ay, masarap tita yung Rebel Bar. Ano ba?
Choco Rebel. Ayun. Okay.
So guys, we're done eating. So kinuha namin yung matcha canape, tapos ordered some drinks.
Kaya mo ba?
That's it for our Visita Iglesia for this year. Thank you for watching. Agyaman Naklaunay. Bye!